I've done it. This is an intro into Recluse, my off-grid, off-road camper. Made from scratch by me using pretty much only leftovers and parts that I couldn't use on other builds. The entire thing's cost me under 5,000 New Zealand dollars, and it's opened up a whole new world of camping, adventuring and exploring for me. I've already done about 10,000 Ks of adventuring in this thing, and I can't wait to get out again this summer. But the purpose of this video is to get you guys into my playlist so that you can see exactly how you can build something like this for yourselves on the lowest budget imaginable, so long as you have the right tools. So get in and check out the playlist. Now this video has been part of a series on building this camper. If you like what you see, have a look at the playlist and you'll be able to see videos on each aspect of how this thing was built. I'll be putting some links on the screen right now that will show you how to get to that playlist. In the meantime, I'm off to have my first weekend's camp in this beast.